Introducing the Tamp TM4r fully automatic tyre changer, our top-of-the-range model featuring a robust chassis fitted with more advanced and ergonomic controls. Firstly, the old tyre is deflated and positioned alongside the machine, where the hand-controlled outer arm is used to brake the bead of the tyre. This process is repeated twice on both sides of the tyre. The jaws are then opened to fit the rim of the wheel, which is moved on top and clamped into place. The main arm is then brought forward, lowered with the lever arm and locked into position, where the demount head shifts away slightly to avoid contact. The tyre bead is then rolled over the demount head and rotated to gradually demount the inner side of the tyre with assistance of the help mount. The help mount is then raised to elevate the tyre, which is then rotated again to demount the outer side. The main arm is then moved back, allowing the old tyre to be removed and replaced with the new tyre. Then the arm is brought forward again, and the rim is rotated to shift the tyre into position, where the upper arm of the help mount is lowered to the rim, gradually fitting the tyre as it rotates. Once fitted, the hose of the PCL inflator is connected to the valve of the tyre, which is inflated to the correct pressure. The tyre is now changed and ready for use.